Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you guys can remove TikTok strike. So, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. It will help me to grow on this platform. Let's start. Open your TikTok account, then go to your profile. Then there are 3 buttons on the top, click on it. Then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and report a problem. Then accounts and profile, search for strike, no result found. Then go to accounts and profile and manage account. Now I want to make my account secure. Read this. No. Then need more help? Now write your issue. I want to remove strike on TikTok. Then submit. Now wait for 2 to 3 business days of TikTok to reply you. And after that they fix your issue. And it's done.
If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.